And then whenever you want to take out the hair color, you can just wash it and it's like gone. It's amazing. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my bossbabevoxbox that I was sent by Influenster. Super excited to show you guys what I got in my box and kind of demonstrate some of the things I was sent. And yeah, so without further ado, be sure to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe to become the hashtag FamJam family here on the channel. And yeah, let's dive into this. So when you open the box, it just kind of looks like this. I got a bunch of little goodies in here, and I also got some little cards that talks about some of the products, so I really do appreciate that. And then I got this little card that talks about how to get online and earn your badges. So the first thing in the box, I got this Nature's Bounty Hair Skin Nail Gummies. And I have been taking these because honestly, like, I'll go ahead and have one now. Like, they don't taste bad. And the best part is that they don't have that like chalky coating on the outside. I really appreciate that. And like, ever since I took off my acrylic nails, my nails have been so like brittle. But I have noticed with taking these, I feel like my nails have really gotten stronger pretty fast. So that's exciting, and I got this sent to me. And then the next two items I got in the box is I cannot even pronounce this brand. It's called Eva NYC. This is a temporary color spray. Basically, it's infused with cannabis protein complex, argan oil. It's a salon quality formula, delivers instantly optimal anti-breakage benefits and commitment-free color. So basically, what you're able to do with these spray-in colors is you're supposed to be able to just spray it in, and then when you and then whenever you want to take out the hair color, you can just wash it and it's like gone. It's amazing. So I'm actually really excited to try this out because I actually have 3 days off from work this week, and I can't have color in my hair at my job, so I can actually try this out for you today, guys, and then I will insert a clip of me trying this out. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and sadly this stuff kind of like really disappointed me. I was like expecting to really see the product in my hair, but I do have brunette hair, but I do have some like lighter pieces in my hair, so I thought, well, it'd probably really show up good on the lighter pieces. I tried like spraying it from a distance. I tried spraying it really close, and it ended up just like not even being noticeable in my hair. I ended up spraying some just like right directly on the top of my head, like the can like really close to my head, and you can actually see it up there. I will go ahead and scoot in so you can see like the blue like streaks up here in my hair. Like, that looks so bad, but all for the tube, you know. Anyways, so this stuff actually does smell really good when you're spraying it in your hair. Like, my hair smells so good. Like, it smells like, I don't know, like vanilla cupcakes or something. This stuff smells really good, but I don't know. I just feel like I actually use both colors, and you can't even tell like down here in these parts where I tried to spray it. I don't know if it would like show up better in this type of lighting, but like I feel like I couldn't even see it. Like, I sprayed all over this region and I can't even tell. I can see it on the top of my head where I sprayed it directly, but other than that, can't see a thing. So moving on to the next thing, I got this Coors Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser It's just like a deluxe size sample of it. So this is a nourishing soap-free cleanser formulated with real Greek yogurt. So I'm excited to try this out. Ugh. And then the last thing in the box is this little foil packet. It's a charcoal clay facial mask. It's by C'est Moi It's Me. I love the little packaging on this foil packet. I think it's just really cute. I love the colors. And there feels like there's a good amount in here. I don't know if there would be enough for like 2 uses or not. So basically, you're supposed to apply all over the face, neck, and chest as desired. Leave on for 15 minutes and wash away with warm water. No fragrance, parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, or something else I cannot pronounce. So that is everything I got in my Vox box, which was a good amount of stuff to try out. I basically got 5 things. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoy this video, and y'all don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.